Hello. I know it's 1:30 at night. I don't know if anyone's going to be on the live, but this is the only time that I get to thank everybody and to tell everybody how much I love each and every one of you. For the love that poured in for the wedding, for all the good wishes. Thank you so very much because I was at shoot right from the next day of my walima. I didn't get any time. Hi Ria, what are you doing awake? Is Renav keeping you awake? So yeah, I went to shoot. In fact, I'm still at shoot. Today was my turnover day, so I thought I should come right now and say thank you to everybody. Wow, there are like 10,000 people on the live. That's brilliant. Guess who's saying woo at the back? Woo! Guess who's here?
Guess who's that? I'm on in.
Guess who's back? Not guess who's that.
Guess who's back?
Yeah. Okay. So, thank you so much for everything, actually, for all the coverage, for all the fan clubs who've put in so much to, let people know as to what all is happening at the wedding. Sometimes a little too much. Sometimes I get irritated about how they pick up everything so soon. And I'm like, nahi, ye video nahi dalna tha. But my crazy lot is just the best. Thank you so very much. In fact, मेरा dream था कि अगर शादी हो तो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही हो. And in fact, it has surpassed my dream. ये जो शादी का Hi Nidhi.
Wow, what a English.
That's Zaid, by the way. Yes, he's going to come on live as well with me. But
What a English. What a English.
Zaid, stop it. So yeah, I came here for my shoot, and of course, there's friends going on at the back. And I didn't have time to. You must think that अरे यार गौर तो बिल्कुल कुछ बोल ही नहीं रही है. But that's because I've been shooting nights, and कोई feeling नहीं हुई कि हाँ okay नई नवेली दुल्हन है. But I had to be back on set. The only way I felt कि मैं नई नवेली दुल्हन हूँ because this one decided to surprise me and be here with me. Thank you so much. Do you want to tell everybody thank you?
I want to tell my Zanimans also thank you so much for showing me so much love.
Showing you only.
Showing us.
Yes, Zanimans, thank you so much. But this is my crazy lot time because we're on my life.
Now we both are one.
You almost choked me.
So it's going to be Zanimans and Crazy Lot both.
Ria is here, by the way. Say hi to Ria. You met her
Hi,
on my
Ria.
Chicksa day.
Yeah, I did.
Ilanza.
Ilanza.
You're
Oh,
pulling
sorry.
my hair. Okay. So, yeah, क्या बोलना चाहते हैं आप जैद? 11,000 लोग हमारी लाइफ में हैं.
11,000 लोग माशाल्लाह माशाल्लाह 11,000 लोग माशाल्लाह.
बोलिए.
मैं पहले अस्सलाम वालेकुम बोलना चाहूंगा.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम.
अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू.
अमेजिंग. आप बोलिए ना.
सलाम करना चाहूंगा सबको और वापस से आप लोगों की दुआ लेना चाहूंगा.
Whenever Zed gets on the camera, first he becomes very slow in what he's saying. He is like very, very, then he gets into the groove. So you don't have to think so much. Say.
I'm not thinking.
Zed, are you imitating my eyes? Because your eyes and my eyes are the same in any case.
I'm doing that as well.
Okay, say. What did you want to say?
We are 12K for wow people are
Yay!
looking at 12,000 people.
And we just wanted to say thank you. We love you all. What else?
What else? God was telling me, should we go live? It's 1:30 now.
Yeah, I thought कोई नहीं आएगा live
मैंने
पे.
बोला नहीं, आजकल के बच्चे और
सब जगह हुए होते
सब
हैं.
जगह पे होते हैं.
But yeah, thank you so much. We've had the best wedding ever. Alhamdulillah, we've had love worldwide. So we're so grateful. And see, I don't know how I keep you in the frame properly. Like when you click my pictures, then I'm not in the frame.
Acha, I have checked your profile. I've seen all the pictures. What
Janu,
about those frames? Huh?
No, Janu, you're always there in my frame. Okay, so thank you so much. मेरे बाल भी झड़ रहे हैं स्ट्रेस की वजह
कुछ
से.
नहीं झड़ रहा,
जो
जबरदस्ती।
देखो देखो दो
बाल
तीन.
झड़ नहीं रहे।
हाँ वो अभी मैंने स्ट्रेटनिंग की
अरे
थी.
what the hell?
Oh sorry.
नहीं रखते। I'll take over, not to worry।
Yeah.
मेरे फोन से भी चले गए होते लाइव।
जो सच्ची बाल जा रही है.
नहीं जा रहे हैं।
अच्छा बोलो. Sorry.
अल्लाह अल्लाह आपको हमेशा खुश रखे। Have a happy and blessed
Yeah,
married life।
let's
Thank you
read
so
a
much।
few. That's so sweet, guys. You know, honestly, we're getting so much love. Thank you
हाँ।
so very much. Really, really thank you. All the love to all of you, and may Allah give everyone their true love and everything that they desire. तो आपको कुछ पूछना है? आपको नींद नहीं आ रही है? नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं रातों को शूट कर रही हूँ ना, तो मेरा साइकिल थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है. इनफैक्ट कल सुबह मेरा शूट है, so we'll have to wrap this up soon. But Zaid, you wanna say something?
Yeah, I'm just waiting if I get any interesting question।
Someone says ha 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 ji. Oh, Nidhi is here.
Oh, Nidhi।
Nidhi, by the way, thank you so much for everything. Nidhi is my publicist and she's done such a fab job.
Oh, अपनी वो वाली
हाँ,
निधि। अच्छा 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 अच्छा। अरे हाय निधि, we miss you यार।
हाँ,
People are saying we love you in Big Boss as well।
Jano, you're getting top light on your face, by the way. See, this is what top light does. Yeah.
Okay, fine।
हाँ, so you wanna, looking at you, I believe in love, says Sharma Prarthana. That's so sweet. Thank you, guys. Nidhi's saying I love you, Zaid.
We love you too।
Acha, congratulations. Where are you guys right now? Well, we're in Lucknow because I was shooting and Zaid sweetly joined me because it was
Hi
the very
mom।
first.
Amir's mom is saying hi, so I'm like hi mom। Amir's mom।
Get a song or a movie together.
Inshallah।
Or Janu, come here. You're getting top light on your face.
Oh,
Please,
shit.
I'm not liking it. Can you
Oh
come
shit।
back? Give me the phone. Yeah, we can come back. Yeah. She's so much nicer.
Who's back?
Guess who's back there?
Who's back?
Okay. Okay. Do you guys want to Gohar? Gohar understands top light so well. Yes, I do. Because मैं top light की शिकार हूँ.
और 19 साल से इंडस्ट्री में भी है।
18 साल से.
18 साल से।
हाँ, अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. Shivangi. Someone said Shivangi. Shivangi ne Shubhangi. Shubhangi is also here with me at the shoot. Hi, I'm from Dubai. Hi. Oh, wow, there are 13,000 people. Thank you so much. Love from Pakistan. Thank you so much. Love back at you.
You now want to go live now?
Mohit is also here, by the way. Hi, Mohit.
I also want to go live।
Maybe you can go live later. Tomorrow.
go
Hi, Boogie Masi.
Boogie Ma, Neelu।
Okay, we're going mad. Why is everybody awake, by the way? I thought we were the only people
Because
who
it's
were awake.
1:30।
Love from Chicago. Hi, thank you so much. Love from Punjab. Thank you so much. Okay, so again, thank you very much for giving us your love. And we're going to go now because I have a 8 o'clock morning call time. So we love you and keep spreading love and try and stay away from negativity about anybody. Have happy thoughts and be good to everybody, okay?
Alright, now I'm gonna go live from my phone।
Bye guys, love you. Love from Saudi Arabia. Oh my god, I can't wait to come to
I'm going
Makkah.
live। Oh shit।
Oh god, I think he's going nuts. Anyway, love you
I'm going
all.
live। Woo!
He's going live on his page, guys. Okay, love you all. Shreya, everybody, Zaid's voice. Somebody says Mehvish. Mehvish says, Zaid, you have a lovely voice.
Thank you so much। Thank you so much। I'm gonna really work on my voice more। I'm gonna get myself to
Okay. All right, bye. See you guys. Love you all.
Guess who's back? Back again।
Oh, how do you end this? Oh, yeah.
Hi, Pete।